Hi everyone, this is the first DIY that you can choose from, which is the card wallet or the coin pouch. This is the envelope that you will receive, and in the envelope, you will get the piece and the hardware pouch. This is a simple and easy DIY. We're going to grab the back of our screw back and place it in one of the sides. Fold over the other side, and then the bottom flap. Place our button, screw it in, and then fold over the top flap. And you are done. This is a very easy DIY that you can use to hold in your cards and carry in your pocket every day. So now we are going to begin the second DIY, which is the tote bag. These are the materials you will need: a pen, a screwdriver, a stapler, a ruler, and some duct tape. Now we are going to open the envelope where the tote bag is in. It will come with 2 straps, the hardware, and lastly you will get the pieces for the tote bag. First, we are going to place one of the pieces on the table with the side we would like to be shown facing away. Then we are going to measure 2 inches from the top of the longer side and create a fold flap. Now we are going to attach our straps. We are going to align the pre-cut holes in the piece to the strap and screw in our screw backs with the screw facing away from you. Now we are going to use our screwdriver to fasten the screw back. Repeat this with each pre-cut hole. Now we are going to take the other end of the strap and do the same thing. Now we should repeat the same steps onto the other piece. And we're going to repeat this on the other side as well. After creating our inseam guide, we are going to take our stapler and staple up along the line. Remember to create your 0.5-inch inseam on the bottom as well and cover with duct tape. Now we're going to use our duct tape to cover the staples. Make sure to have the duct tape all the way on top of the bag to the bottom. We're going to fold over our duct tape so it is covered nicely. And if you need to add a little more duct tape, then you could add some. Repeat on the 2 remaining sides. So we're going to stand up our bag and then place our hand inside of the bag and prop out the corners of the bag and make a triangle shape. We are going to measure 7 inches from this triangle. We're going to make our guide again. And staple across the line. We are going to repeat this on the other side as well. We're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And like we did with the sides, we are going to take our tape and cover the staples. Place the bag on its side and fold in the triangle folds. And we're going to flip our bag inside out. Now we are going to use our duct tape to reinforce the bottom triangle. And if necessary, use duct tape to cover up the sides again. And your bag is done.